A formidable heat wave will grip the western United States over the next week as a sprawling ridge of high pressure settles into place across the region. Temperatures will creep over the 100 degrees Fahrenheit mark as far north as eastern Washington during the peak of the heat, with temperatures near 110 degrees Fahrenheit possible in some communities in California's Central Valley early this week. A wavy jet stream will set the stage for the dome of heat that will build over the western United States this week. Steep upper-level ridges are often the catalyst for intense heat waves because air sinks beneath ridges. Sinking air warms up as it descends toward the ground, intensifying the warmth of the late spring sunshine. The National Weather Service's latest forecast calls for extreme heat to build across lower elevations west of the Rockies and away from the Pacific coast. High temperatures above 105 degrees Fahrenheit are likely in California's Central Valley each day from Sunday through Wednesday, with highs potentially pushing 110 degrees Fahrenheit in some locations. Triple-digit readings will push farther north into southwestern Oregon, eastern Washington, and southern Idaho by Wednesday. While many cities in the West are accustomed to high heat during the summer months, a heat wave this intense is unusual so early in the season. The NWS's predicted Wednesday high temperature of 101 degrees Fahrenheit in Walla Walla, Washington, would be the city's second earliest reading at or above 100 degrees Fahrenheit since records began at the airport there in 1949. The agency's forecast high on Monday of 106 degrees Fahrenheit in Sacramento, California, would register as the third earliest reading above 105 degrees Fahrenheit since steady record-keeping began in 1948. Excessive heat warnings are already in place for the duration of the heat wave in the Central Valley, and it's likely that more heat alerts will go up for places expecting elevated temperatures in the coming days. Even though this is going to be a relatively dry heat, overexertion when air temperatures are this warm can quickly lead to heat-related illnesses such as heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Extreme heat is an underrated safety risk even among folks who are otherwise healthy and fit. Such an intense heat wave will exacerbate an already precarious drought situation across the West. The region is mired in one of its worst droughts in recent memory, which is quite the feat given the droughts of the past decade. Parched land, high heat, and little relief in sight all leave experts concerned about another potentially historic wildfire season over the coming months.